Hello and welcome to the Presero training series. In this lesson, we will be learning how to enter location details and the departments at those locations. We will begin by logging into the Presero account with the information that has been assigned to you. Now please make a note that the locations and department option is only available for a B2B site only. To access adding a new location and department, we'll select the sites from the admin and open the B2B site you are working with, and from the sites option you would see the locations and departments. Users of a B2B customer storefront may be in different departments, buildings, cities, or countries. Use this area to enter location details and the departments at those locations as needed. The locations and associated departments can be used as user selectable ship to and bill to locations in the storefront checkout process. Depending on how you have your site settings field for address book mode set up will determine how this screen looks. If your address book mode is set to location, this means that the company locations are set up prior to the users entering and ordering from the site. They will either be able to choose from these locations to ship and bill their orders to, or based on the site setting, the location associated with their user account could be set to one of these locations and departments by default. If you attempt to set up locations and seeing this message and only being able to add departments means that you have your site settings set up to address book only, which means that the person ordering is responsible for maintaining their own addresses and choosing in the store where to bill and ship. To add a new location or department, click on the Add New button at the top of the page, or if we have a large number of locations and departments to be added in the system, then we can also use Import and Export option. Firstly, we would need to download the Excel template, fill in all the required details in the Excel sheet. While exporting, you can also select if you would like to include the deleted items in the report in the Excel template. And while importing, if you would like to replace the existing location, simply check this box and upload the Excel file and import all the locations. Location Unique ID is a required field. A unique ID can be made of letters and numbers. In many locations, it is a shortened or nickname for the location, such as HQ for the headquarters of the corporation. Location description. Currently, this field does not display in the order detail, but it does display in the reports run from the report writer if you select that option. You may use it for informational purposes about the specific location. Under the address information, first and last name can be ignored, or if you want a particular person's name to be included in the ship or bill to areas on the confirmations and order details, enter it here. Title will be included in the shopping cart detail and on the order detail reports. Business name is the full name of the location. As an example, if we had HQ entered for the unique ID, this might be ABC Corporation headquarters. Email, phone, and fax are optional but will show up in the shopping cart, order summary, and in the order detail reports. Address information is required and is used for the ship and bill to information. Thank you for watching this video tutorial.